In this video, I will show you how to get ChatGPT Plus. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started, what you're going to want to do is come across to chatgpt.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, if you come up to the top, you should see this button which says upgrade for free. This is also going to be in the bottom left hand corner. You're going to see the upgrade button down here. What you want to do is give that a click, and then what it's going to do is take you to a screen with the different payment plans to get ChatGPT Plus. So as you can see, we have the free plan, which of course completely free, you don't have to pay anything. For Plus, it's at the moment £20 a month at the time of recording, but there is a special offer currently to get 1 month completely free, like a 3-month trial. There is also an option to get ChatGPT Pro, but of course we're going to learn how to get ChatGPT Plus. So what you need to do is select Plus from here. At the top, you want to select if this is for personal use or business, and then just simply click the blue Get Plus button. As you can see, it's going to say getting your plan ready, and it's going to ask you to configure your plan. So what they're going to do is send a code that's going to be sent to your mobile number, which links to your account, but you can choose to have this sent to your email instead. And all you need to do is simply enter your card details, your billing address, and then of course click the subscribe button over to the right hand side. As mentioned, for myself, there's a promotion at the moment, so there is 1 month free, but this does change, so it might not be available when you're watching this. It just depends what offer is available at the time when you're viewing this video. All you need to do once you've entered your details is click on to subscribe, and that's going to start your subscription to ChatGPT Plus. So that is how to get ChatGPT Plus. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.